Ooh, it's hot. Alright. I'm going to my best friend's house.
Calling soulmate butterfly.
Any more light?
No, that's good. Ooh.
What is this?
Oh, my seeds.
It says, put the freaking Coronas in the fridge last night. Who the fuck am I?
Yep. Hard work. It's gonna be beautiful.
Yes.
Hello.
Oh, when they cook the chiles on the stove and there's like the smell. She used to do it to us, now we do it to her.
Ooh, she's fancy. You don't want to be here.
Oh, you're fine.
Look at their shades my best friend got me. Hey.
Getting there?
Getting there? What do you need to add?
I think more apple cider vinegar. Just make those. Little plates or big plates? 4. I feel like we should just get a placement.
Look terrifying.
You need a little stick, like how, like the ones that BTS have.
Oh yeah, I need a vlogging stick.
Yeah.
Oh, I need a vlogging stick. Free donuts!
Oh yeah.
Free donuts! Woo!
Man, now I'm nervous. Now I gotta drive really carefully. I don't wanna...
I'm gonna tell your mom.
Oh no. Here's a mess. Trying to think this through. Oh well.
We're twinning!
You cannot find out, guys.
Little tiny ones.
When I feel
Bag by the front door.
By the front door.
I know.
I utilize them. You feel
You can grab these out of the bowl whenever you're ready.
Okay.
heading home from Amy's, and I'm not gonna see her because she's going to Mexico. I am tired. I really am. My nail popped off. My nail tech did a new technique on my nails. Barely even lasted a week. So she's redoing my whole set for me in 2 days. It's so nice to like show Amy like all the crystals and stuff, and show like they had little markers on like what the benefits were and everything. It was just a fun experience. I'm gonna go check my P.O. box right now, and then I'm gonna go to Sonic to order my mom 2 bags of ice. Okay. I'm gonna go around this way to go through the drive-thru. I haven't used the drive-thru at this location. They just opened up the drive-thru portion at the one on Thousand Oaks Drive. I've never used it. Always just, oh my god, there's a great team. I want to pull up.
Hi, thank you for calling. How can I help you?
Can I get 2 bags of ice?
2 bags of ice?
Yeah,
What else can I get for you?
that's it. I have to take a shower today. Thank you. Okay. Yay. Oh my god, really, Mom? You fucking suck. She put the boxes right in the middle of the fucking... right in the middle of the garage, so I can't even park. She could have just left them outside. Just had to put the fucking boxes right in the middle of the garage. I couldn't go anywhere. The way to get me to get it done, but shit. God, now I can't see out of the back of my car if anybody's coming, so it's fucking dangerous. Thanks, Mom. She better like her fucking ice then. It's by Painters. I don't know if it's gonna focus on it, but my mom did get this at the farmer's market. It's my favorite. Dude, this stuff is so good. And then I'm currently watching Iron Man. I'm gonna be editing this footage. Lot to do today. A lot. I'm falling down another mental health hole, and I'm not gonna stop this time. I'm not gonna stop content. I'm gonna push through and get through it. So I hope you guys will bear with me. I had a postponage on my my PC stuff. 2 of my parts aren't here on time. They were supposed to be here today, and then they're like, oh, if you don't get it by by August 13th, we'll give you a refund. It's like, I don't want a refund. I want my product. Hi, my name's Michaela.
For who?
For Michaela. It's an order. It didn't give me a number or anything. It just told me.
Is it a delivery?
No, it's on delivery. It's a curbside. Oh my god, I hate this man. Okay, so my ex, my old general manager at Best Buy, he's like, hey Michaela. Hi Mike. Hi Mike. Like, you think I'm all gonna be buddy with you? You're the one that fired me, douchebag. Fuck you. Also, one of so if you saw my Snapchat story, you know that I was pretty heated about one of my old coworkers trying to sleep with me when he has a girlfriend, right? And I don't know if that's my order. It might be my order. No, that's not my order. So he was there today, and I wanted to deck him. Okay. Got plenty of napkins. I like to save my napkins for when I have school, but this semester got moved online, I think. They haven't announced it to anybody, which is kind of like, what the fuck? Like, that's your job. Hello. I need a service call for. Is somebody available? No one's available. How does this work with like monitors and stuff? Do I have to get like a specific attachment, or do I plug the monitor?
On the graphics card, there's a part of it that will slide into a socket on the back of the.
I'm about to go live on TikTok.
You know, I should. I'm shooting ketchup. I should go get some ketchup.
Willow Binks. Hi.
I took my wig off and I had a mental breakdown for like about 10 minutes. I'm not gonna lie.